Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Ecobee thermostat. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an Ecobee thermostat and you want to go ahead and change the date and time. Maybe it's daylight savings day, maybe the date is incorrect. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your thermostat. Then click on the upper right hand corner, then click on the settings option right over here. Next, scroll down, click on settings. Then you're going to see the first option, date and time. Now this is where you could actually change the time format or the actual time. So go ahead and adjust it as you need, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the date and time on your Ecobee thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.